let's talk about the map. So the most obvious output from the Causal Map app is this map over here. Now what we're doing in this case is we're looking at the entire file, and we've put on a couple of filters to say only show me the most frequent factors and show me only factors with farm production, where their label is exactly farm production. So here you can look at the map, but what can you do with this map? Well, you can drag things around first of all. Now, this kind of interactive map is different from what you're used to in Causal Map 3 because you can move stuff around, you can interact with it. So you can move things around like this. Sometimes that's very useful to get exactly the layout you want. But you'll see that there's different layouts. If you go here to the map formatting panel here, this is the normal recommended layout. You can also see the print layout, which is similar to what you had in Causal Map 3, and it's a beautiful layout and it's very useful for publications and so forth, and it makes a very good job of making a very readable map, but you can't interact with it in the same way as the others. And there are also a couple of other interactive layouts you might like to try. In all of the layouts, you can change the appearance by, for example, reducing the horizontal gap, or by decreasing the vertical gap, or increasing the vertical gap like this, and changing the width of the labels, and by changing the labels so you can, here we've got the source count is being added onto the factors, but we can instead add the citation count or add nothing at all to get rid of those numbers at the end of the labels. And there's lots of other things you can do here to tweak the appearance of the map.